Thermostat for underfloor heating, Terneo S. Terneo S maintains a comfortable floor temperature. On the outside of the box, in addition to the image of the thermostat, we see a factory sticker with basic technical information. We unpack the box. The device also comes with installation and operation instructions, which contain a warranty card. The set includes a floor temperature sensor 3 meters long. All Terneo thermostats are covered by a 3-year warranty from the date of purchase. Note that Terneo thermostats are compatible with sensors from many brands, so you can easily replace your mechanical thermostat with a Terneo and therefore save electricity. Terneo has a minimalistic design. The screen is behind a thin plastic and below are the buttons that will be needed to start the device. Also, there is a connection diagram on the back of the device. Thanks to the ease of adjustment, this model is perfect for maintaining a comfortable temperature. The thermostat has a timer for the delayed start of the heating up to 4 days. This option is very convenient, for example, you're going to the country for a few days or on a business trip. Terneo will restore comfort by the time you return. Terneo has a function of the load running time counter. To find out how much electricity an underfloor heating consumes in terms of money, multiply the operating time of the heated floor by your electricity tariff. Terneo Intelligent Heat Management.